This is tea, which is what we usually drink as black tea or green tea. Camellia sinensis. So you can see it's a camellia from the flowers, which are very like a ornamental flowering camellia. And these are the seeds, the little seed pods. So they have quite hard, woody seeds. And you'll have about 3 or 4 in each capsule. They're just ripening now. So we're actually growing our tea for the seeds, which we're going to propagate from. But normally you'd grow it for its vegetative growth. So it's hedged back. So you can see this tea plant is about 1 metre high. And in tea plantations, they cut them right back into a hedge and get a flush of fresh foliage, and then they just pick the tips. So much of our tea that's grown commercially is grown in places like Sri Lanka, and it's all hand picked. So people go through the lanes and pick the top few tea leaves, and then it's taken back and processed. And it's quite a complicated process to make tea. There's some great information online if you're interested in trying to grow your own tea, because it's a wonderful thing to do these processes at home, and then we understand what it is that goes into making these everyday products that we take for granted. Now, growing tea is relatively easy. It's hardy once it's established, but it's a very slow growing plant, so you do need to be patient with it. These plants would be probably about 8 years old, and you just maintain them as a shrub. Great for planting as a hedge. They have these lovely little ornamental flowers, and they're highly attractive to bees. So I don't know if you can hear the buzzing of bees all around me, but they're all coming to get the pollen, and we were just looking at the bees and they're laden with pollen. So they're a really great bee attracting plant as well as being able to grow your own tea.